Right, continuing the mods on the street triple, 2015, street triple that. This little binnacle isn't very good when you're doing a lot of touring riding, so we're going to change that. There's not many options. And what I've got is the, I don't know, is it PUIG? PUIG? Don't know what it is, how you pronounce it. And what we have in the box is this. I wanted a matte black, couldn't get one. So this is what we've got. This has to come off, and all it does really is protect the speedometer binnacle. And that bolts on to some bolts where the headlamp's attached to. And it's not that much higher, but I'm hoping it makes a big difference. Basically, we're going to have to take this off, although it doesn't explain how to do that. And then move the headlamps out the way. Bolt it in position. And then bolt the fairing on. That's how it goes. So, I guess the first thing is to try and take this thing off. Need some Allen keys for that. Alright, so let's have a look. There's no instructions on how to take this off, so all I can see is 4 little Allen keys to start with. So we'll take that off. Nice. That's that cowl off. You'll see the 2 bolts. That's where the frame for the windscreen attaches, so you have to undo them, swing this out the way, put the frame on. So this has to come off. I see 1 screw there. Okay, so this is the screw we're going to take out first. That's quite stiff, must have a bit of Loctite on it. So that screw's undone. Does this just pull out? And then 2 hands for this one. Ah, there. That's come out. Right. Give it a bit of a push. Right, so just a bit stiff. There we go. Right, I think we'll undo that plug for now, so we don't break anything. Just that release clip there. That's off now. Put that somewhere safe. Right, then back onto these. Right, so we've got that out of the way. These next. Right. These 3 to come off. One. A little bit. And last one. You see that? Three. That simply lifts out the way. Put that somewhere safe. Right, we're up to the point where the instructions take hold now. So move these bolts, swing the lamps out the way, attach to this frame. But it does say take the frame and the windscreen apart, so that's what I'm doing next. Right, so frames apart. They take them out now, which is a 12mm socket. quite slack then really. So these headlamps actually have to come off, not just swing out the way. Get them off. That's one nut off. And the other one off. So the pack actually comes with some longer bolts, which is handy. Right, so let's have a look then. We'll take this one off first. Easier said than done. With all the wires in place. There's no thread on the bottom, but it's just very stiff, so we'll just give it a bit more of a helping hand. Right. So carefully rest that headlamp. If we have a look at the bolts, there's not much difference in them, but we'll use them. Do the same with the other headlamp, just to help get the headlamp off. It's a video in a video, this, isn't it? It's still stiff. How to remove the headlamps. That should just come off now. Oh, don't scratch anything. Carefully place them out of the way. So look at the instructions. This bracket goes underneath, then the headlamps bolt on after that. So we'll get the headlamps. Like I said, really this is a two-person job. So they're going to go, I think I'd put them over the wires like that and that. So if you can just hold them like that for now. Difficult, isn't it? I'll see if I can just put some washers in to hold them into place. And then that should be right, thank you. Right. So now, thanks for that help. This will go onto those bolts like that. So you probably need an angle from underneath for this one. Got the bracket in place, got the nuts, the bolts in. Now we have to get the nuts on. I don't know if you can see or not. There and just here. You might not be able to see that, but we'll have a go. My hands are probably in the way a little bit. Right, there, so bracket up. Get a nut on before it falls down. It's one on. And again, you might be able to see it, but it's pretty obvious. Right. Looks like these are a 13. Yeah, rather than a 12. Get them somewhere close, and then we'll have to adjust the headlamps as such. They'll look even. I'll tighten them up in place now. That's pretty tight. Right, clocks first, obviously. They just push in, and there's a one screw they hold in place. That's how it goes, look. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and that's where the screw goes. So we'll just push that into the rubbers. Start to rain. I've still to do my review of the bike, because every time I take it out, it's either blown a hooligan, freezing cold, or it's raining. I'm a bit of a fair weather rider. Nice. Not the neatest to install, I don't think, but it is what it is. Now we'll just plug the wires back in. There's the plug under the bottom. It's plugged in, make sure that little rubber boot goes over properly. And now finally we come to fitting our screen. It should be a case of just lining up the holes and putting the screws in. PUIG, or PUIG, let me know. Don't want to put it under any sort of stress. So they're nipped up, not massive. And then the finishing touch are these little covers, just to make it look a little bit neater. Alright. Nice, that's just fitted. A couple of things I would say is you could do with an extra pair of hands when you're putting the actual frame of the windscreen on. Definitely helpful. It looks pretty good, looks better than I thought it would do. Also, when you're putting the wires back on, be careful you don't snag them. That was a little bit tight just there. I've just slackened off a little bit to decide that it wasn't working. Everything's working now. So that's it, done. Took longer obviously because I was filming it, but not a bad job in the end, and reasonably simple. Especially if you see this video, you'll be able to do it in no time. So that's it for now. If you liked that, if you found it useful, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more mods on this triple, I've got handlebar guards, little dual cams, engine protectors, a few other things in store for it. Subscribe to the channel. And on that note, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.